So hi Kalaminians, we're headed to Acacia Steakhouse and the owner, Chef Justin Ko, will cook us some steak. Come on, check this out.
Hey guys, welcome to Acacia Steakhouse. Now we'll be cooking two of our signature steaks, butcher steak and the flat iron steak. Like all basic steak cookery, we sear the meat to give it a golden crust on the exterior. Okay, so right now, the butcher steak is cooked in a different way compared to most steaks because this one's obviously raw still. So I will slice this first and then I will cook it again. So as you can see, in the middle, it's very rare still. Now this will only take 2 minutes, and because it's sliced already, we can serve it directly already. Now, like all steaks that are cooked, you should always let them rest. Otherwise, the juice will flow out, and then as well as the flavor will already be gone. So I'll let this rest for around 2 minutes, and then the butcher steak will be ready by then. Flat iron steaks, as you can see, there's a lidded in the middle, and then after cooking the flat iron, you must remove this so that it will all become edible. So right in the middle, I'll slice here. Then again here, in order to take away the litter. And this is just blanched vegetables with salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Flavored butter.
So hi guys, we're here with Justin Ko and he just made us these two beautiful steaks. So tell us about this one, these ones, what are these?
Okay, this is the butcher steak and it comes from the diaphragm of the cow. It is a cut that normally people don't know because usually steakhouses serve ribeyes, tenderloin, porterhouse. Those are the usual cuts of steak, expensive cuts of steak. Now, in Acacia Steakhouse, what I want to promote are the cuts that are not necessarily known by everyone because they're more focused on the ribeyes. But right now, I want to go for the hanger, for the flat iron steak, skirt steak, flank steak. Those are the cuts that I want to specialize on because not only that they're cheaper, but their flavor also is, it can match with the prime cuts if it's being done correctly.
So let's try it. So this is the
Flat iron.
flat iron. It's really flavorful. It's not chewy. It's really succulent, juicy, and the flavors are there. And so what's the flat iron?
The flat iron steak, it comes from the shoulder of the cow. For some reason, it's a tender cut even though it comes from the shoulder. And then the flavor profile is similar to a ribeye because it's a marbled kind of, it's a marbled cut of beef, and then the flavor is similar to a ribeye because it's marbled. And then for butcher steak, it's a more leaner cut of meat. So what you can get is a more robust flavor, and then it has a very meaty texture. And then this one is marbled flavor and texture. I'm trying to make a cause in Cebu that eating steak doesn't necessarily have to be above 1,000 to really enjoy. That's why I'm trying to specialize on this so that everyone can enjoy, not only the upper market, but halos everyone can try and experience and learn about steaks.
Guys, if you like steaks or if you want to explore what steaks and want to know what steak tastes like, you better check out this place here in Acacia Street in the Green Valley subdivision and capital site, Acacia Steakhouse, and try it out.